Ever wake up feeling like a zombie? You roll over, grab your phone, and suddenly, boom! Emails, notifications, bad news. Before you've even brushed your teeth, your mind is already drained. But what if I told you there's a way to go from zombie to zen in just 10 minutes every morning? Let me show you how. Step 1. Thankfulness, the mind reset. Your first thoughts in the morning set the tone for your entire day. Instead of bombarding your mind with stress, start with gratitude. But here's the trick. It needs to be specific and personal action step. Instead of a generic, "I'm grateful for life," try, "I'm grateful for the deep conversation I had with my best friend yesterday. I'm thankful for the quiet moment I had with my coffee this morning." Your brain can't hold stress and gratitude at the same time, so choose gratitude. Step 2. Inspiration. Fuel your mind. Think of your mind like a phone battery. Every morning, you either charge it with positivity or drain it with negativity. Instead of news and notifications, start with something that fuels your mind. Maybe a podcast, a powerful quote, or a speech that gets you in the right headspace. Action step. Pick one source of inspiration and commit to it daily. Something that moves you, that lifts your mindset before the world tries to tear it down. Step 3. Meditation, the 5-minute power shift. You check in with your phone first thing, but when was the last time you checked in with yourself? Meditation isn't about sitting in silence for hours. It's about reconnecting with yourself. Action step. Take 5 minutes each morning. Close your eyes, breathe, and ask, "What do I need today?" Just listen. No distractions. It's like hitting reset on your brain before the world starts pressing all your buttons. Step 4. Movement. Wake up your body. Feeling sluggish in the morning? That's because your body is literally in zombie mode. The fastest way to wake up? Move. Action step. Just 2 minutes of stretching or jumping jacks is enough to wake up your brain and boost your energy. Make it fun. Challenge yourself. Race a friend or put on your favorite song. And dance movement is the signal to your body that the day has begun, so don't skip it. Finally, the 10-minute transformation. That's it. Just 10 minutes to go from zombie to zen. Instead of reaching for your phone, reach for these 4 simple habits: thankfulness, inspiration, meditation, and movement. Try it for just 1 week and see how your mornings transform. Comment below. What's the one habit you're going to start tomorrow? And if you're ready to take control of your mind every morning, hit subscribe and join the journey.